Welcome to Nandini's recipe. Today I am going to be sharing a recipe about no oven choco fudge brownie. This is my most favorite recipe. Now let's see the ingredients required for making the recipe. Today I have taken roughly chopped bar chocolate and half cup of maida, say about 60 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or 35 grams of cocoa powder, and 2 full eggs. Along with it I have taken half tablespoons of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 100 grams of unsalted butter. First I am going to take a vessel and melt the bar chocolate along with the butter. The aroma of the bar chocolate along with the butter is so nice that it tempts me to eat it, but let's wait until the brownie is done. In the meantime, let's prepare the batter to make the brownie. To a large vessel, first add 2 eggs and half cup of powdered organic sugar. Today I have replaced the white sugar with organic sugar. It is always good to go with ingredients that are good and healthy for us, and you can also replace the all-purpose flour with the wheat flour. Blend it well such that the egg and the sugar blends well with each other. Now to the well beaten egg, using a strainer, I am going to add the half cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and sieve it well with the strainer. I'm using a strainer here because I want to ensure there is no lumps formed. So to the mixture, I'm going to add half tablespoon of baking soda and half tablespoon of baking powder. Blend the mixture well. The batter to make the brownie is ready. To the batter, I'm going to add the melted chocolate little by little and mix it well such that the batter and the chocolate blends well. The batter for making the choco fudge brownie is ready. Today I'm taking a 7-inch tin for making the brownie. Grease the tin with some butter. It is always good to use parchment paper for baking. Now I'm going to transfer this batter to the tin. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat the non-stick oven for 10 minutes in low flame. Transfer the batter to the tin. Now let's add the finely chopped almonds to the tin. Batter to the preheated pan and let it get cooked for 20 to 25 minutes in medium flame. Now our brownie is well cooked. With the help of a toothpick, check if the brownie is well cooked. Yes, the brownie is well cooked. Now off the flame and cool it immediately. The brownie is cooled down and I have cut the brownies into slices and I'm going to plate these brownies. The texture of the brownie has come out very well, that it is very soft. Refrigerate the brownies if you wish, and I always love to have brownies with ice creams. So it's time for me to have these yummy brownies. Do try this recipe at home and please put your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your subscription values a lot to me. Thank you.